Bangladesh is a land of agriculture, but also a land of challenges. In Sylhet, sudden floods wash away crops. In Rajshahi, droughts dry out the soil. In Khulna, salinity poisons the land. With climate change, these problems grow worse. Yet, most farmers still depend on guesswork, planting at the wrong time, wasting water, and facing huge losses. The result? Food insecurity for millions. But what if we could connect space technology to our soil? What if farmers could make decisions, not by guesswork, but informed by satellites, watching over our fields, and with real scientific data?
We are Team Farmanauts, a group of young innovators passionate about blending space science with smart agriculture. In our team, we have Radhian Islam as app developer, Amdad Ullah Chaudhary as innovation strategist, Tausif Billah as GIS expert, Abdullah Ibn Shokat as machine learning expert, Shamanta Akhtar as researcher, and Tajvi Mahmood Rafat as the team lead. Together, we are building a solution for farmers, students, and the next generation of agri-leaders.
Bangladesh has 30 agroecological zones, each with unique soil and climate. Our solution is the Bangla Farm Navigator app. In our app, farmers can click on their zone to instantly see soil type, pH, moisture, temperature, and weather trends. The app also features an interactive chatbot. Farmers can simply ask, what crop should I plant this season? When should I irrigate? How do I prepare for harvest? And the app replies with data-driven answers. All this is powered by NASA's Earth observation data. GPM rainfall predicts floods and droughts. NDVI and EcoStress track crop growth and stress. SMAP soil moisture guides irrigation timing. NDVI and ECOSTRESS track crop growth and stress. NASA Power provides local weather forecasts. By combining these datasets, farmers receive timely insights to protect their harvests, conserve water, and increase resilience against climate change. What once seemed like distant satellite science now becomes an everyday tool for smarter farming. This way, global space science is transformed into local solutions for Bangladesh, empowering communities with knowledge from the sky to the soil. With Bangla Farm Navigator, space meets soil. Farmers can save water, boost yields, and adapt to climate change. Students and youth can learn that farming is not outdated. It's modern, high-tech, and full of opportunity.
Bangla Farm Navigator. Smart farming for a secure future.